Hello everyone. I will show you how to add shapes using the VSDC Free Video Editor. Let us start. After importing a video, click on Add Object. On the list that appears, mouse over the Free Shapes section and again on from Gallery. Choose your desired shape from the scroll-down list. You can use any of the graphic elements during the creative design of your video. At this moment, I am choosing the arrow named arrow number 2. Click and hold the left mouse key anywhere in the workspace, and drag horizontally and vertically to adjust the length and width of the arrow. Good, the shape has appeared in the workspace. Now let me change the color of the shape. In the Properties window, scroll down to Free Shape Settings. Right below it, you can find a brush section with a color option in it. Click on the color option and then on the 3 dots to the right of it. Click on the required color on the color picker and press OK. Select, drag and place the shape at your chosen spot. You can adjust the duration of the shape appearance by dragging the slider for the shape below. Let me play the video. The arrow is shown in the video for a selected duration. That is how you can add shapes to your videos. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos.